Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm actually going to show you how you can copy posts from other blogs, edit it, and get it posted on Puk Forum so that Puk Forum admins and moderators will approve it. You get, because most of my network, most people I'm teaching how to earn money on Puk Forum, they keep saying, hey Godson, my posts are not being approved on Puk Forum. I'm not utilizing my earnings and all of that. So I'm going to show you how you can copy, edit, and publish posts on Puk Forum. But before I get started, I need to remind you something, that you cannot just come to Puk Forum and post trash. By trash, I mean copy somebody's content from other blogs and then post everything the way it is on Puk Forum. It will not be approved. It's considered as trash, so don't even think about it. Secondly, just bringing up something from your mind that adds no value to the visitors, that even if you're gisting with your friend will not be interested in listening to such. You just come and post it on Puk Forum. It will be considered as junk and it will be deleted also. And thirdly, coming to just post your life story on Puk Forum. It's a forum, it's an online community. You have to share something that is let's say beneficial. It's something that people can go to Google and then they type and they search and they'll be happy that they found it on the forum. So those are the kind of contributions that are well welcomed on Puk Forum. So I'm going to take you to my screen now and I'm going to show you how you can start making posts, publishing them, and keep earning on Puk Forum. Alright, welcome to my screen. Before I get started, please, if this is your first time watching my videos, do make sure you subscribe to my channel. I make more of this kind of videos. If you have any question, the comment section is always open to you. I do my best to respond to as many questions as I find on my comment section. So anytime I want to make a new post on Puk Forum, I first navigate to other people's blog. Sometimes I go to forums, sometimes I go to normal blogs, normal news site, like you have post.ng. On the forum you have nairaland.com. I also gather information from Twitter and Facebook groups and other communities, so those gives me ideas and inspirations on what kind of content I wish to post. And if you check on Puk Forum, you see that there are quite a number of categories you can actually make posts on. So anyone that interests you, that you feel will interest the audience, you just make the post there and let it be. So today, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can copy other people's posts and then edit it and publish on Puk Forum. And if you can follow this guide, trust me, it will definitely be approved on Puk Forum. Number one is, when you visit the blog or the website you want to get posts from, you look for an interesting post that people will really love. Like here I'm seeing 7 incredible health benefits of bitter cola, belly fat, 5 natural remedies, 5 natural ways to make your lips pink. Returns. Let me go to Naira Land. I like picking interesting topics from there, so it can yield what's it called, it can yield conversation. People can relate with me more, people can comment on my post. It's more fun because this helps me grow. This helps people get to know who I am, the kind of things I love, and people also get to follow me on social media, because since Puk Forum is a forum for bloggers, you can actually make quite a number of friends and followers on the community. So on Naira Land here, I can see Imoni spent 70 million on drinks as he celebrates his friends. Caught on camera, smuggler, another. A pastor said a witch because of let's see, drug abuse, how it started, versus overcome. I'm seeing a lot of ladies, but I don't have a girlfriend. Peruzzi. Alright, this is an entertainment post, and I think it's actually expected to trend, so I'm just going to copy this one and use it for the training. So now the post is open. Anytime you want to, wow, it's actually trending. 11,000 views on Naira Land. Man, these are the kind of posts I really love posting, because I know I'm really gonna get people engaging in them. So I'm going to log on to my Puk Forum account. Once I'm logged in, you can see God's Nobiazi. Once I'm logged in, I'll click on publish. You can see publish here. I click on publish so that it will open the page where I get to publish my post. Alright, so once the page is open, make sure you read the instructions here. It will really guide you, but I've read it so I don't have to go over it again. Now you can see you have a space for the post title, and you have a space also for the post description. That's everything inside this box is the space for the post description. You tell them more about the title, more about what your post is about. So here we have Peruzzi, I don't have a girlfriend. Peruzzi, who said so? So you post the title. Now this title is just copy and paste, so it might not be approved if you don't edit it. You get, so you just have to make a little tweak on it. You can just say something like, Peruzzi says I don't have a girlfriend. How true is this? You get, most times I advise you just spend just a little time to read the post so that you get to know what the post is about. And when you read what the post is about, it is a lot more easier for you to comment, edit, and know what to do. So I'm just going to pause this video and give myself a little time to read about the post. Okay, so I've read the post. Now I can continue. So you can just rewrite the post title in this manner. You can just rewrite the post title in this manner. Publisher Peruzzi says I don't have a girlfriend, says Peruzzi. How true can that be? Alright, so this topic on its own is totally different from the original topic, which says I don't have a girlfriend, Peruzzi. You get, so now I'm going to work on the post content. It's totally copy and paste, but since it has different title, different description, there's a lot more tendency of it getting approved because it will not be considered as a total copy and paste. So from the what I work more on is the first paragraph of the post and also the last paragraph. This is the majors. So once I work on the first and the last paragraph, I publish, and trust me, it's going to be approved because one, the topic, that is the title, is not entirely the same, and also the first and last paragraph has some real changes that you can really proclaim that yes, this post was not just a total copy and paste. So first I'm going to download the picture, save image. First I'm going to download the picture, then I'm going to upload it. Now uploading an image is not necessarily compulsory on Puk Forum. It's not necessarily compulsory, but if the post you are dropping has an image, you are advised to include the image just to make the post more, how should I say it now, just to make the post more lively and reduce the work the moderators got to do, and you earn more if you include pictures on your post. So now I've added the picture. I'll make it how was this? Okay, so I've added the picture. It says DMW asks Tobechukwu Victor Oko aka Peruzzi has confessed to not having a girlfriend. I can just say the The well-known celebrity. Okay, as you can see here, I've made some changes to the first paragraph. Now, some other changes that you can do include making sure that they did not put there are no irrelevant links within the content, like um some links like how should I put it now? On some side you see related post links inside the post. You see many irrelevant links or irrelevant content that you know is going to be distracting to those that are reading it. Just make sure you remove those things, and then you make sure there are no irrelevant images as well. When you read the post, you should know what is and what is not relevant. So anything that is relevant, you make sure it's included in the picture. Anything that is irrelevant, you make sure it is removed from the content, I mean. Okay, then after that, you finalize the post, you add the final paragraph. Okay, the final paragraph. So it will be you've made changes to the first and the last paragraph. Okay, so that's just it. So, for example, me finalizing this post now, I say this post is currently trending on the nation's newspapers, blog, and on Naira land. You get? Then I'll also invite people to make their own contributions, like what's your take on this? What do you think about this post? So this will now cause more engagement, and it will also make the last paragraph to be different from the original website where I got the content from. So after you've made those changes, as I've said in the video, you select a category that suits your post best. Like this post that I just made is an entertainment, so I'm going to select my category as entertainment. All right. So after selecting the category, then the final step is to click on save. Now make sure you've done all the necessary changes before you click on save. Make sure you've selected the appropriate category. Okay, make sure you selected the appropriate category before you click on save, because when you click on this save button, you cannot make any changes again. You have submitted it, you cannot edit the post, and there's nothing you can do. You cannot delete the post. So just make sure you've done that. So thank you very much for watching. Like I said earlier, make sure you subscribe. There are more videos to come. God bless you.